welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to achieve this soft glam look, keep watching and don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Starting off with a fresh face. So I did my eyebrows off camera because I have a detailed video on my eyebrows, so go ahead and find that video. I'm just using some concealer as my eyeshadow base and just gonna smooth all that out and give us a nice smooth canvas to work with. Using the Morphe James Charles palette, and we're going with that color and just going to pack that on there onto the upper crease of the lid. Now just going in and kind of blending that out. We don't want this to be too harsh. We want this to be like a soft glam look. Using the shade right below the one we just used and kind of going right on the same color just to give us another color on there, because I turned out I didn't like how that just looked, so I wanted something else on top of that to give it another depth of color. Just repeating the same steps we did with the other eye onto this next eye. Now it's time to get into this cut crease, okay? So I look up just to see where I want my cut crease to start and end and where I want it to be at. And then I kind of just take my time and go slow. We're off to a good start. Look at these. Crisp, period, poo. Using those two shades we used before and just packing out onto that outer edge. Now taking this color and just packing onto the rest of the lid of the cut crease we have. And then I packed a lot of this color on there because at first it didn't show up too much for me. But at this clip you can see how much I put on there, and it actually showed up this time. Now we're really just blending those two colors together in between. We don't want them to look like a line or anything. We want those like a smooth transition. This step right here, this is what makes it that soft glam. We're gonna add the glue onto our lid to like the top part of the cut crease and just add that on there. And then we're gonna add on our glitter and just add that onto where we applied the glue. Now we're done with our eyes. I already added my lashes and everything on off camera. We're doing our foundation. If you watch my previous videos, it's pretty much the same than what I've done in the last few videos I've done. So I won't be talking as much on these little few clips because it's repetitive if you watch my videos. And then just using some setting powder. I think I found this setting powder at Walmart or something. And then just adding that onto the place we had that lighter concealer we had. I be too turned when I see this incoming because baby, I be ready to go. So I forgot to put my mascara on before I put my lashes on, so I just added that on there just a little bit. And then we're just wiping that extra setting powder off. We don't want that on there. Now I'm finishing this look off with some setting spray and then just fanning that off till it's dry. Okay, so this is the final look. Please tell me how I did. And also, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the team. And follow me on no, add me on Snapchat because you see how lit I be. So why not? My